Hi guys, welcome to Websites Tools. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create real-time social proof conversion counter notifications on your website or your e-commerce site. This could be uh, a counter display of transactions that are happening on your site. So it could be for any business, for an online business, an e-commerce business, a travel booking, an event booking, so, but for this example, I'm going to go with the Shopify store. All right. So let's quickly go into our websites tools login dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, you have to choose your campaign that you have created. Right. So in this case, it's WD Fashions. So I'm just going to go into that campaign. Right. So now we have to create a notification. Right. So in this case, I have already created a notification, a demo notification called conversions counter. Okay, the type of the notification that you will have to create is called conversions counter. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, so I've already done some basic customization, all right, which you will learn in the earlier videos and how to do the customization, the design, and all that stuff. Now let's go into the data tab. All right, so I have already created a webhook for this particular pop-up notification. So you have to ideally copy this and go into your Shopify dashboard or your any other e-commerce website or travel site wherever you're going to have your admin dashboard. Once you're in this section, then you want to go to the settings. Case here at the bottom. Yeah, settings is already here. Okay, so you just go to notifications under settings. Scroll to the bottom, and here I've already created this notification. Right, just going to open it up. Yeah. So you have to copy and paste that URL here, right? And in the event, you have to choose cart update as the event. As a webhook event is cart update, all right? So now let's quickly go into the dashboard. So when you send a test notification from there, uh, so for that webhook that we have created and saved, when you send a test notification, you will see the data captured under this tab. Okay. Right. So here you are. You see, these are all the test notifications, some transactions that I have been doing on other pop-up notifications. So they are all being captured here. Right. The main thing is you have to ensure that this counter is the toggle is turned on. Otherwise, no data will be captured under this section. All right. So here you can see uh, today is the 1st of March, and I have created, sent a few test notifications here, about 3 of them today, 1st of March, 1st of March. All right. So let's go to our store website. The pop-up notification is live, so you will see the total number of transactions that are created. There you go. So 17 people have shopped the flat 50% off sale. So if you click on that, if your visitor clicks on this, you can direct him to a particular site or a page on your website. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's quickly go in here and just send another test notification and see if it updates. Okay. So it's sent a test notification. Okay. Come back here and refresh this page. Yeah, so 17 has become 18. So that transaction has been recorded. So that's about it. You can just make sure you have to set the minimum number and the hours. Thank you.